Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X2 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap the button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be snow showers with a high of 0 and a low of -5.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.